dress of Cadet First Class Jesse J.R.R. Ticar, Cadet Corps, Armed Forces of the Philippines.
This journey has been filled with challenges and triumphs, and through it all, God's unwavering presence sustained me. To God be all the glory. To the Commander-in-Chief, Armed Forces of the Philippines, President of the Republic of the Philippines, His Excellency President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., Sir. To the Secretary of National Defense, Honorable Gilberto Teodoro Jr., Sir. To the Chief of Staff, Armed Forces of the Philippines and Philippine National Police. To the Commanding General of the different branches of service. And to our Superintendent, Philippine Military Academy, Vice Admiral Cesar Bernard N. Valencia, Sir. Other officers present, honored guests, family, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant morning to everyone. Today marks a pivotal moment. What began with reception rites, incorporation, and recognition now culminates in graduation. In life, choices shape our destiny, and the paths we walk are defined by the decisions we make. I recall stepping into the military world with little knowledge of its demands. Yet, I chose to embrace it. By God's grace, I made it to the top, inspired and uplifted by the unwavering spirit of Class 2025. The transformation from civilian to soldier is marked by immense challenges. Sa bawat gabi ng pagpeplebo, sa bawat utos ng pagkatuto, sa bawat araw na limitado lang ang nasusubo, at sa halos buong araw na pagpapapawis sa pag-iensayo. Lahat ay humubog sa pagkatao ng isang magiting na sundalo. During those times, mistakes were inevitable, but we did not fear them. Instead, we embraced it toward growth and excellence at kami di nabigo. To all our mentors who imparted knowledge and honed our skills, maraming salamat po sa inyong paggabay sa amin upang marating namin ang tugatog ng tagumpay. A special mention goes to Lieutenant Colonel Malake, my spiritual advisor, whose guidance nurtured my faith throughout this journey. To my family, Ma, Pa, Regine, Kuya Peter, at sa lahat ng mga magulang at kapatid na hindi inalintana ang biyahe, ang init ng araw at pagod para makasama kami. Nagpupugay po kami sa inyo na pinangatawan ng di hadlang ang distansya sa pamilyang nagmamahalan. To the Underclass Corps, thank you for allowing us to exercise our leadership. I stand before you not only as the top of our class, but a proud graduate of this esteemed institution. Someone who once stood exactly where you are now, struggling, exhausted, tested, yet still holding on. Trust the Academy. Our time to lead the Corps has ended. Now it is your time to rise, to lead, and to prove that everything you've endured has prepared you for this very moment. Serve with pride and leave this ground with no regrets, knowing you gave nothing less than your best. And most especially, to my fellow graduates, Mr. Congratulations, we made it. To my roommates, Jigs Pexnops, Soms Bergskos, our snappy COOs, Nyaps Omps, thank you for the camaraderie we shared through. In a world that will try to change us, may we stand firm and be the ones to change the world instead. This is not the end of the journey, but the beginning of a new chapter. Though our paths may differ, may we always uphold the value of courage, integrity, and loyalty. To the Filipino people, this is all for you. Ngayong araw ang simula ng pagkilala at pagpapahalaga sa bawat buwis at pagpapakasakit na inilaan ninyo sa amin. Handa na po kaming magsilbi. Handa na po kaming tuparin ang aming sinumpaang pangako. Handang-handa na kaming ipagtanggol ang inang bayan, mga hulugan man ng aming buhay, kung ang katumbas nito'y kalayaan ng ating bayan. Mabuhay ang sandatahang lakas ng Pilipinas, tagumpay nating lahat ang aming pagtatapos. Maraming salamat po at magandang araw sa ating lahat.